Chicken and jalapeno tacos. First, combine the chicken with the taco spice mix and oil in a bowl. Then heat a non-stick frying pan over a high heat. Cook the chicken mixture in batches, stirring for 5 minutes or until it's browned and cooked through. Meanwhile, char grill the corn for 10 minutes. You want it to be tender and lightly charred all over. While the corn is cooking, heat the tortillas, following the packet direction. When the corn is cool enough to handle, remove the kernels with a sharp knife. Just cut down the side, turning as you go. Place in the bowl and stir in the cabbage, black beans and lime juice. For the dressing, finely chop the jalapeno. Then place in a small bowl with the mayonnaise and more lime juice. Season and stir to combine. Then stir in the corn mixture. Fill the warm tortillas with the corn mixture, avocado, and then the chicken. Serve with more jalapenos, taco sauce, coriander, and a squeeze of lime.